What are you doing?
La cultura, la gente, ¿sabes?
Conozco a gente, aquí están en el hotel y no saben del hotel.
Claro.
Están todo el día al lado de la piscina.
He's moving too much.
No,
No, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no.
Yo no puedo ir a un sitio que hable como hotel que va.
Put your paw on there,
Entrada a los hoteles no me gusta
if you
entrar.
would, like that. Yeah, that's nice.
Yo me fui 2 semanas a Gran Canaria y me fui a un hotel de 2 estrellas. Algo muy sencillo, muy...
Sí, sí, sí.
a 5, 10 metros de la playa.
Come here. Closies, closies. Okay.
Para los ramas.
What's going on in there, eh?
¿Cómo se prepara?
Yeah, he's joining in now, finally.
Esto está con un amigo de... Se puede hacer también una salsa blanca. Es muy fácil para preparar.
Beautiful. Hey, his brother's tail is good though. Oh, you look away, of course. Just as
Can I go and put like the petals down?
well,
You
it's video,
Oh,
so
okay.
it's wow. You caught one, didn't you? Did you catch it one? You catch it one? Here we have 2 sleepy kitties after a very, very heavy photo session. They're so tight-eye, aren't they? Oh, look at this one. Oh, little babies.